Keystone started out not as Keystone, it was just the park, because this was the area that was allotted and Black people used. We were not welcomed at the other areas in the park. And this was before, I guess it actually became Reelfoot Lake State Park. We did the family reunions every year, and on the weekends, we would maybe come out and relax.
There used to be like a jukebox up front, and people used to go up there, put their quarter in the jukebox and dance, and they would serve, like, they had popcorn, hot dogs, hamburgers, drinks, snow cones.
We just had fun out here. It was just somewhere to be that we didn't have to worry about anything.
At first, it was just nothing more than a trail out here to the water's edge. And then over time, as people cleared it more, appreciated it more, it became more maintenance, and people started coming all the time.
We received this park not as an open, really fine place. When I can remember Mr. Fenner, who was a park ranger, they would bring their lawnmowers, and then we mow this area and we enjoy that area, and would bring kids out here at this area, even after it was not developed, and he taught kids to swim.
Well, Mr. Fenner was our first Black park ranger, and he was a teacher, so he had a lot of hats.
Mr. Fenner was an employee at Tennessee State Parks. He was assigned to Reelfoot Lake State Park. In the early days, in the early 60s, he was given like a ranger's uniform for him to come out and interact with the community that was using this park and using this part of the park. Maybe not as an official capacity as a ranger, but filling that role at that time.
He was just a good person.
He was. I mean, his spirit.
Fair, yeah.
He was fair.
Yeah.
His spirit was like welcoming.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, he even taught school, and people looked up to him.
Right.
He was somebody that we admired.
Right.
You know, not just as a teacher, but also, was he the Sunday school superintendent of the church?
Mm-hmm.
Earlier, in early years, the park was used for church baptism because our Black churches had no baptism pools. And so several people that I know were baptized in the lake.
It's amazing. You know what? The snakes never were around when they got ready to get in there. And when they got ready to get baptized, snakes wasn't around, but otherwise you could see snakes around the bank, you know, which was amazing to me. I guess it was the providence of God that, hey, I'll take care of that part. You just go and enjoy. It has been a great experience to know that we, the people, had somewhere to go and where to, you know, enjoy. They're developing it now, and it's getting nicer. So to know, and hopefully that we have to push our kids to enjoy what somebody cried for.
Our kids, they just don't really know the meaning of Keystone Park unless we share it with them.
Mm-hmm.
But it's something that should be known about even when we're gone, you know, because I wish it could come. I know days and things have changed,
Mm-hmm.
but this park haven't.
No.
It's still the same. It's still Keystone Park. And if our kids could start coming here and more people could start coming here, they'll feel the love.
Mm-hmm.
They will feel the love because it's here.
It's here.